In this video, we're going to practice how to write a meal paragraph for A Mighty Long Way. In ELA, you've been reading A Mighty Long Way and learning about Carlotta's decision to attend Central High. You've also been tasked with writing an argumentative paragraph to answer the prompt, "Did Carlotta make the right choice in attending Central High?" As a reminder, in argumentative writing, you can follow this acronym, MEAL, to help you remember how to organize your thoughts. First, you have to make a claim. This is your opinion that you will argue in the paragraph to answer the prompt. Next, you introduce your evidence, which will be a direct quote from the text. Then, you provide analysis of how your evidence proves your claim, and this is where you're making new meaning. And then you follow with a logical conclusion, which is where you sum up your claim again. For the M, make a claim, we need to look at the prompt again. Did Carlotta make the right choice in attending Central High? To make a claim, you have to write your opinion on this topic. A good claim will do two things. First, it will use specific language from the prompt. Which one of these examples uses the exact language from the prompt? Yes, she did. Or, Carlotta did not make the right choice in attending Central High. B was correct, because you have to be specific in your writing. The reader won't know who you're talking about if you just say she. The reader won't understand what you're talking about if you just say yes without any specific context. The second part of a good claim is a clear reason. Look at these examples. Which one of these examples has a reason? Carlotta made the wrong choice in attending Central High because she experienced violent racism, or Carlotta made a bad choice. The first example has a clear reason. The signal word because is a good word to include to make sure you have a reason in your claim. Notice that the reason doesn't get super specific yet. You're going to save that for your evidence. Your claim should include a broad, general reason. Next in the MEAL argumentative paragraph is your evidence. You have to pick evidence that matches the reason in your claim. If your reason in your claim was violent racism, then your evidence should be an example of violent racism. On the next slide in this Nearpod, match the different claims with the appropriate evidence.